Hi everyone! Today we are sharing a tutorial on how to set up Hikvision ColorVU Hybrid camera paired with 4 channels, 4K PoE NVR. This video will show you the whole process and very suitable Australia. Let's unbox the IP camera and NVR. This is a turret-style camera. It has smart hybrid light technology and active deterrence. It features powerful performance. In the NVR box, it has NVR unit, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a USB mouse. Now, let's cabling. The best part about this system is the PoE, Power over Ethernet. This is Ethernet cable. Take the Ethernet cable and plug one end into the camera. Plug the other end directly into the PoE port on the back of the NVR. Connect the LAN port to your router. This step is essential if you want to view the footage remotely on your smartphone app. This is USB mouse cable, plug in it, and this is HDMI cable, connecting one end to the NVR, the other to the monitor. Finally, plug in the power, watch for the flashing lights, and the system is now initializing. Before setting, choosing regions and languages such as English, Chinese, French can be selected. Verify the system time and time zone. Make sure it is set correctly. And then, creating a strong admin password and a pattern unlock. Make sure it's secure but memorable. The system will now launch the setup wizard. Step 1. We have set the time zone, checked it, and there is no problem. Then click Next. Step 2. For most installations, enabling DHCP is sufficient, allowing the router to assign an IP address automatically. Step 3. Check the hard drive status. It should display Normal. If a new hard drive is installed, make sure to initialize the disk before recording. Step 4. Enable HIC Connect. Update the status to ensure the camera connection status becomes online. Step 5. Set a verification code. This allows remote viewing via mobile app, which is commonly used in Australian home and business security systems. Well, the live feed is up and running instantly. Double-click to maximize the image. Thanks for watching this Hikvision system setup video. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to visit S Market to ask related questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.